AFT2103, Business Statistic, L1T3. Title: Number of Malaysian graduates by employment status according to residential status.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Norain Afikah binti Rizal. My matric number is A19A0649 and I am from course SAK.
Hi, I'm Tanisha Balan. My matrix number A19B0943. I'm from SAR course.
Hi, my name is Nurul Husna binti Nazri, matric number A19A0744.
My name is Nur Fatima binti Bakri and my number matrix is A19A0558 and my course is Commerce.
My name is Nur Shahira binti Ridwan Apindi and my matrix number is A19A0625 and I am taking Commerce course.
Number of Malaysian graduates by employment status according to residential state in 2018. Here the table after constructing a frequency distribution.
Our group want to present about graphical method which is number of Malaysian graduates by employment status according to residential state in 2018. We choose two type of graph, it is histogram and frequency polygon.
Histogram graph chosen as the graphical method since it is a bar graph that emphasizes the distribution of values and frequencies. In histogram have 5 number of classes which is start from 36 to 2569. Now I want to explain about graph histogram. The graph was shown Malaysia graduates downward from frequency 18 to frequency 2. The highest peak frequency is 18 and the midpoint 1302.5. The lowest frequency is 1 which is midpoint 8904.5. Moreover, the highest midpoint is 11438.5.
Next graph we want to explain is frequency polygon is a line graph that emphasizes the continuous change in frequencies. Plot points that represents midpoint and frequencies of each class and connect the points in order from left to right. This is table was shown about frequency polygon Malaysian graduates.
Graph frequency polygon Malaysian graduates was dropped sharply from frequency 18 to frequency 1 and only one number increase in end of graph. The highest peak frequency polygon Malaysian graduates is 18 and lowest frequency is 1. This two graph is similar and nothing changes.
Mean is sum of a data entries divided by the number of entries. We got mean 3245.27. Then mode is the data entry that occurs with the greatest frequency. We got mode 1936. Median is the value that lies in the middle of the data when the data set is ordered. We got 2147.17 as median.
Measure of variation. Range 12,668. Sample variance about 9,159,373.10 and the sample standard deviation is about 3,026.45.
Measure of position, Q1, 1091.33, Q3, 4,259. In this case the shape of data distribution is skewed right, because its tail extends to the right. Mean greater than median greater than mode.
SPSS result shows that the means of the number of Malaysian graduates by employment status to residential status in 2018 between states is 2,976.1333 numbers of graduates, while in manually showed that the mean is 3,245.27 numbers of graduates. The median of number of Malaysian graduates by employment status according to residential status in 2018 at SPSS is 1,557.5000 graduates, while the median in manually is 2,147.17 graduates. Lastly, measure of variation showed that the range of number of Malaysian graduates by employment status according to residential status in 2018 is 12,668.00 graduates.
Multiple regressions.
ANOVA. The p-value from ANOVA table is more than 0.05, which means that more than one variables of employment status which is employed, further study, upgrading skills, waiting for work placement and unemployment.
The confidence interval we found data of number graduates affected by employment status in residential state is 1,679.4542 to 4,272.8125. We interpret in plain language by saying we are 95% certain that the true meaning of the scale for between 1679.45422, 4272.8125.
80. There is no association between numbers of graduates by employment in 2018 H1. There is association between numbers of graduates by employment in 2018 H show that p-value/sig value equals 0.193 equals 0.01. So that mean, we can't reject the null hypothesis. We can conclude that the number of Malaysia graduates by employment in residential state is no association between employment status and residential state in 2018. The data that had been talk about number of Malaysian graduates by employment status according to residential status. From using a statistical mathematical method analysis all the variables that had been from this data used to find a few information that need to complete this report. The objective of this study is to use all the variable to find the shape of distribution has been reached. All the calculation done step by step. After all the solution had been found, we use the SPSS system to make sure our answer is correct or reasonable, because when using SPSS system we can get more accurate answer. All the explanation also given according the step to understanding.
Thank you.